Okay. Test firing the high Kappa Dragon 5.1. Po siya. No? Mapagpogi. Yung slide niya, may hiwa, may uka, ang ganda. No? Safety. No? Safety. Ito magazine, we'll put may konting bulas lang, lagyan ko na. Tapos lagyan na natin ng gas. Okay, enough gas now for demo. Okay, start firing. Okay, fire test. Okay, ganda. Pag naubos siya, ayan, no? Slide lock, yung ganda. Kita yung barrel. Very nice, no? May uka ang design. So, remove the magazine. Slide return. Whoa. And of course, hammer down tayo. Yeah. Thank you.